I like acrobats. Hi, I'm Amy. Can I be an acrobat too?
Hello, Amy. Yes, do some tricks and become an acrobat.
What tricks?
Jump on a trampoline, walk on a rope, and climb a wall. Let's see what you can do.
Okay.
It is a trampoline. Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump. Look.
Done. It's a rope. Can you walk on it?
Yes, I can. There's something on the rope. Oops. Careful.
Done. It's a climbing wall. Can you climb it?
Yes, I can climb.
Listen to me and follow the colors. Start with blue, yellow, red, green. Nice. Great job, Amy. You're amazing. You are an acrobat now. Here, a little award for you.